Hi everyone, so I'm back to share some journals with you. First of all, I would like to say Happy New Year to you all. Wishing you all a lot of joy and, to be blessed throughout the year. So these journals, they are from ARTYmaze's new kit called Purple Medley. When I done the journal the other day, I was calling it Melody, and it wasn't Melody, it was Medley. So I've done two. There's two Traveller's Notebook sizes. You can get this kit in the normal journal size as well, and I will link that below. Both journals measure 8 1/4 by 4 3/4. There's one signature in each and 48 pages front and back, and there is a lot of ephemera inside these journals. They will be listed in my shop if you're interested, and you'll find the link for that below. So these I wanted to use the lovely like the collage pages from the kit, and well, obviously this one and this one is the front of the covers are from the one page that that I printed off specifically for the front of the covers, and because I didn't want to do any like other decorating, because these pages are just so pretty, and it would be a shame just to use them and then cover them over with something else. So the backs of them are both like this. And again, that is one of the pages from the kit. You get a lot of background pages to play with from the kit. They are cardstock covers. There's a couple of layers of cardstock which have all been sewn together, and I inked up all around the edges because this was I think the top cover was actually just white and I inked it, but the inside is actually coffee dyed. So I will show you this one first. The other one, they're very similar. So I haven't put a permanent closure on. I've just tied some organza ribbon round, and that is the journal. I've actually stitched down here as well, because I just didn't want the paper to cut, like maybe, over time I didn't want it to come away, so that's why I done that. One of the pages from the kit. We've got some tabs on here as well. That's from the it's a Stamping Up, which is retired now. It's the whale, is it the whale tab punch it's called? I just call it the tab punch, but that's what it is. So I've made some pockets. I've done a little bit of collage here. There's a little bit of lace trim here as well. I'm not sure if I'm in frame. Yes, I am, because I'm standing and I can't really see my my phone. So I've done the Martha Stewart punch there as well. This little element you get from the kit as well, the little tickets. And we have like a long journaling card. Funny thing was, when I printed this off, I think I printed the pages one evening, and then the next day I printed off some of the like the ephemera to go inside. But in between that, I had to change one of my inks. So some of it has come out a little bit on the kind of bluey, lavendery side, which actually I thought was really nice. So it wasn't deliberate. It was just pure accidental. It's now, the printer's printing absolutely fine now. It must have just took a little while for the ink to actually like soak right through. So anyway, you can see the difference from that to that. But, it didn't distort the images at all. So this is a postcard from Tsunami Rose, and everything's been backed onto coffee dyed paper. This again is from ARTYmaze, but not from the Purple Melody kit. Can't remember, they're called Positive Quotes. Little journal card from the kit. As you can see, that come out a little bit on the bluey, lavendery side. Lavender, lilacs maybe, I don't know, I'm not that great with when it comes to purple shades. This is from the kit as well. The tab on here, plenty of journal space, a doily, paper bag. This is the old design shop. And then here we have a piece of ephemera from Tsunami Rose. And there is a lot of shimmer on the papers because, like I say, I put some like shimmer, cosmetic shimmer, in with my jar of coffee. I'm gonna see if I can find one for you. I do have a few of them, but I've got that one, and these ones were gifted to me. These come from America, but I have got my own in my tub, which I can't reach, but that's it's like eyeshadow loose shimmer. So if you could, you know, if you're looking for that, you can look that up on eBay, and there's loads on there. So, and you just need a tiny little bit, and the shimmer goes a long way. Another page here from the old design shop, just a large tag that I made, which is coffee dyed. It's got a little shimmer stamped. Another positive tag from ARTYmaze. Good way to start the year with positivity. This is the old design shop. It's just a French letter. That's from the blog and not the actual Etsy store for the old design team. There's another tag from the kit. So yeah, I would say that come out a little bit like blues and lilacs rather than purples. This is quite purple. Made a pocket, stuffed the pocket. Well, it's like a double pocket really. Another positive tag. Little journal card, which is upside down. Another little piece of ephemera from the kit. We've got a postcard from the kit. These come, because you get two sizes of the kit, you get the ephemera that will fit in the large journal kit, and you also get the ephemera that fits in the traveler's notebook. Little double journal card there from the kit. Another postcard. Need a postcard in your traveler's notebook. And then this is just some of the pages that I just shrunk down a little bit just to make like a trifold tag, just extra journal space, and it packs the journal out as well. Some paper with some pizza pan markings, another tab here. Lots of journal space. Middle of the signature, and I've done that in the other one as well. One of the pages from the kit, and you can write on that because it's got the lovely lines and the lovely design. So journal space, pocket from the kit. Again, it's jam-packed. Tag. Oops, I think I just wobbled my camera. Another postcard, that is from Tsunami Rose. Another positive tag from ARTYmaze. I'm actually getting a new tripod-y thing for my iPhone, which has got a solid arm that's bendable, rather than the one that I've got now is like a it's like a big snake type thing. That's the only way I could describe it. Another journal card. Another tag from the kit. Yeah, so that should be with me on Sunday, hopefully, and I'll be able to maybe get a better angle, because I can clip it up on one of the shelves and just pull it out, so I don't have to keep moving it as well. Another piece from the old design shop that pops in there. Oh, that's actually a little flip here that goes in there. A little double tag from the kit, that's there. And another, as you can see, again, you can see the difference in the colour, but it doesn't, like I said, the images are still clear and crisp. It's just the colour that was a little bit different, which I kind of like, because it kind of flows, the colours flow just as well, isn't it? Otherwise it would have been wasted. Another tag that I made, stamped and shimmery. Another little paper clip here with a little postcard and a little journal card, and I'm not sure which way that goes. Is it that way or is it that way? Another piece of ephemera, a lot of shimmer on that from Tsunami Rose, and that just paper clips on there. And I'm hoping tomorrow I can start on my junk mail journal, because I had planned on doing that in between Christmas and New Year, but I didn't even get into my shed at all. I was just in the house. It was just movie time and eating and playing with my grandson and all that kind of good stuff. So, and I don't often get 5 days to do like what I want in the house, because I'm normally in here. Another postcard. So yeah, hoping to start that tomorrow. I'm really looking forward to doing that as well. But I'd started these. I had all these printed off, so I just had to do it. Little piece here from the kit, and that is the back. So that is that one. Now set that to one side, and I'll quickly go through this one. Again, it's just a wraparound organza ribbon different pages that I used. Tag and the not definition, what did they call them? What did I just call them? It was only 2 minutes ago that I said that. Positive quotes, postcard, another tag, another positive quote there. See if I can get all that back in one hit. Probably not. No. No, it says no. And the pocket is from the kit, which is actually like the collage piece that I actually used for the cover, but obviously it's just on the pocket. A tab, journal space, a doily, paper bag. You stuff things inside your paper bags. The old design shop, I believe. Here we just have a collection of just papers. These are like, they kind of look like doily prints. Well, they do to me, so I've popped that on there. Another one of these, folded in half. Another tag. And another little dinky journal piece from the kit. Another tag that I made, and that is the old design shop. Here again we have a French letter. And a postcard from Tsunami Rose. ARTYmaze. Lined paper. Lovely page from the kit. Little corner tuck here. This little embellishment is from the kit, so you get some circles and things. Another one of the long journal cards. Another journal card there. Tag, sorry. Another positive quotes from ARTYmaze, and again you can see the difference, but it still works well, I think. Another little journal piece from the kit. A tab, journal space, centre of the signature. Another pocket here, just some more journal pieces in there that was from the kit. Another little trifoldy thing. A double journal card, a journal card from the kit, a postcard. So I mean, everything in the kit, even though you've got the pages, but everything in the kit can be wrought on, like on the back, and if you wanted to cover the fronts of things over, you can do. But the possibility of journal space is actually a lot in these journals, as they are in all my journals. There's always tons of space. That's a little, that flips opened. This is from the kit as well. Another tag from the kit. Postcard from Tsunami Rose. Another tag here. This is ARTYmaze as well. That flips opened. Tsunami Rose. Just paper clipped on. Paper bag, doily, some more journal pages, little tab here, and another one of these little pockets with the little ticket thing on there. Another tag, and another tag. And again, you can see the difference with the blues and the purples. And like I said, pure accidental. The printer done that all by itself. There we go. So there we have them. 2 journals. Purple Medley is the name of the kit, and like I said, I will link that below. If you have any questions about journals, then please ask. I hope you're all having a great day, and I will speak to you all soon. Bye.